up? We're backing up here, guys. I'm real Finland, and here comes CSX Q326 with 77 cars, 4 to 5 engines. Here it comes. As you can tell, it's a very windy day. Here it comes. Gonna be a 5-minute video, guys, to be honest with you. Here comes a minty view, guys. Here it comes. At least it's not 100 cars. It's only 77 cars, so you should be up there momentarily. Then I'll catch a second clip of this guy right here, do 700. Catch the video.